Welcome back to another cooking recipe. Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. We have some jerk chicken, rice and peas. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients them when we take prepare my jerk chicken. Alright, step by step. We have some chicken there. Extra season amount, but we have some browning to give some color, not too black. It's normal. You know, if you use a browning pan here, jerk chicken, but me like when I have a look at browning pan my chicken. Yeah. Some season that is some all-purpose Maggi, some chicken Maggi, some fish Maggi, also some jerk season. But you know, I want some more taste and flavor, so I add some extra fish Maggi to it, right? You can use it when I use for here one, but me, I use for my chicken, right? So I'm starting by turning next side and some more extra season flavor and thing. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. Outside me I cook on the coal fire and things too. Look at jerk pan and thing, you know, on Sunday. I want Sunday vibes. I cook some nice rice and peas with some jerk chicken. So starting by some light my grill and thing there. Well hot and put my chicken breast in my grill and thing here. I'm gonna show you what I go on. I have some pork also right here. Another update on jerk chicken. I'm gonna show you what I go on a jerk chicken pan. Whoa, because the jerk chicken brown and pretty. So I'm gonna flip it. You see, because I don't want it burn up. So I'm gonna put a normal fire and thing under it here. If you go and stay on next 2 more minutes before I turn it, because I don't want it burn up, right? So another update again for the jerk chicken. So what I go on there now. So I'm gonna flip it now. Remember, I don't want it burn up. Don't watch the jerk pan, you know. Because you know style, chef cook on anything. On a chef, right? So I'm turn it because I don't want it burn. So see nice crystal brown there. You go and soak. So this will take about 30 minutes to soak and think. You have to make the chicken well soak. You can eat para. You don't want a para meat to eat, right? So I'm going to lock it back. You go and cook it right. You have some pork right there. I'm going to season up and thing. So I have some stew pork. I have some jerk pork. Also, remember, please pay the people them for their meat. Please and thanks. Pay the people them for their meat. So you know, I have some fish. And I have some Maggi, all purpose. And I have some chicken. I have some jerk season. I have some browning. Because I like put browning on my jerk pork. Not really enough. So the chicken just like it a burn a be a smoke it a flip and you can see what I want it a ramp rough. So I'm going to turn him again because I don't want him burn up. But in drop off I grill, but you know me a style and style. So you don't know fix it back and thing and set it that way there. Remember Jamaican cooking, you know. Please watch the video to the end. Like and share. Remember Sunday recipe. Jerk chicken, rice and peas. I'm going to make some secret sauce. I'm not tell you the ingredients for the sauce. Next video, I'm show you how to make the sauce here. Alright, so see what I go on right there now. So I'm going to massage the pork them. Rub in the season and thing. We have a nice small pot of rice and peas right there. Alberta rice, right? Simple, not a rice and peas. Remember Jamaican cooking. Lumberjack, please. Remember to like and share. Subscribe. So see jerk chicken, you know. I'm going to flip it again because I want to cook. I'm going to give it to the next 10 more minutes. Make it soak right through. So I'm going to chop it just juicy and nice. Another update again. So the jerk chicken ready. So I'm going to chop it through now. One chop. Chop it. Chop. Chop. Chicken juicy and nice. I tell you, delicious. Finger licking. Tastable. So you know, so the recipe ready and thing. So the rice and peas there. Presentation, eatable, delicious.